a few of these cars ever built, and this is one of them. If you know your cars, you know that this car is very rare. You don't see these cars around, guys. What a dope car. Wanna take it for a spin. You said we can take it for a spin, so we take it for a spin. One word, guys. Dope. Look at this car. I'm lost for words in here. One word. Beautiful. People don't get it, you know. They think driving those big new cars is the one. They don't know about the drive of these cars.
No servo, just still on drums.
Still in drum, yeah.
Got original stickers on her.
Yeah, she's solid. This is definitely a grudge car. Dope car right here. Big V12 engine right here, guys. And I'm telling you, we're gonna take it for a drive in a little bit, and I'm gonna show you how she moves.
Yeah, still got the jack, the bumper jack. It's all there.
Yeah, spare wheel in there. Yeah, it's been around for a long time, that spare wheel, but it's good.
Size of it.
That's it, is massive.
In the boot, couldn't you?
Yeah, you could.
Even the radio still works.
That's a G right there. This is how you live it, man. This is how you live it. We're just taking it for a quick spin in the car park, but it's amazing. We have to take this car out one of these days properly and show you guys. What a lovely car. Beautiful. Woo!
You okay with that?
Oh my God, man. Come on, bro. Come on. All day, every day, we ain't playing. Look, where do you want it? We can go to YouTube as well.
Oh, blimey, yeah.
Yeah. But that means you're going to have to start it up, talk about it. It's a process. We're halfway in. I wonder what engine they'd put in something like this as well. What engine could go in this?
I think it's a tool to get the bonnet up.
Special tool to get the bonnet up, guys. Special tool to get the bonnet up. This car stole the show. It's like a mini truck. Let's see what engine we got in here.
Put your hands up.
Light it up for us. Spark it over.
You want noise as well?
We want some nice, but we want everything.
Anything else you want?
We even want to. Yeah, I want. Hey. No. Sound good as well. So nice. So sweet, guys. Aston. Little Aston right here. Sound good. What a little monster. What a little monster, isn't it? It is.
Old school
Old school.
Old school quarter mile
Yeah, yeah,
gasser. It's awesome.
that is. I never see one before. It's the first time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Austin.
Yeah, Austin 830 or 840, isn't it?
Eight. There you go. So the indicator is on for left. Right here. It's a nice car you got there.
Good.
Yeah. Special.
How's your axle? No way. Yeah. That's what you did. She's original football gasser.
Look how wide the wheel is, guys. Look how wide this wheel is. All right, we have a small little meetup here, guys, and we have some few cars to look at. Big car right here. Hey,
Not the old-fashioned Lotus engine,
a late one.
a later one, yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, a little bit special, isn't it?
Not a little bit special, very special. It's a nice custom job right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it to say it right here in the engine. Got something dope right here. Petrol can.
There earlier, did you see him?
We do what? What did he have?
In the white truck.
Yeah, I was chatting to him.
His cousin.
Is your cousin? Yeah. With his son?
Yeah.
Yeah. I was chatting to him a while ago. Come on, my G. Come on. Got some cars here. It's not a classic show, it's just a car meet. Go on, bro. Step on it. Come on. Come on, bro. I don't really know what chassis they got this on. Come on. Gen 3 right here. GT Mustang. Dope, one word. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're over and we're out on this one. But don't forget to like and subscribe and just watch what we're doing and keep following the guys, alright?